Hi guys, it's Tony here. How are you doing? Today we're looking at Bartoline or Bartoline concentrated sugar soap. Now I did a Wilkinson's version of this, and I just thought I'll show you this one because it's the same as this white spirit. So all you do, you just get a little bit. I mean, you'll know yourself. I'm going to do this slowly. Just got to drop in like that. Depends how bad the walls are to the amount that you need. You can use up to a quarter of it, literally. It's like nicotine stains, all that sort of thing. What this does, it generally just takes any of the crap prior to painting. So there used to be a bathroom here that we've had to basically fill. The guy came and filled that. I didn't do it. He filled it up. But if you're doing any filling work and you're sanding, it's always a good idea to give it a clean prior, because the paint just works to the surface so much better. I mean, you've got some damp here. That'll just wipe off. That's because in here it hasn't got a DPC course, so we're getting the mould. And of course you've got your usual stains. So, but it is a very, very good cleaner, this, and it really is. I'm going to take these fittings off, but this is just a demonstration. You can see the actual amount of dust, all the rest of it. I'm going to do the ceiling as well. We've getting some work done in here as well, so I've just been getting around here, and this hasn't been painted. In fact, since I've been here, and I've been here nearly 3 years, and this ceiling hasn't been done, so it's had a new shower in it. So, but it'll fill it. It just cleans all the filler dust when you've sanded it off. So that's it. Just a quick look at that, guys. Clean around. Just gets any little bits and pieces up. Good stuff. Highly recommend that. Most sugar soaps do the same, but this is just a different company. I think this one is even better than the Wilkinson's one, but you be the judge, guys. I'm just showing you what these products do. Look at all the stuff in there. They've already done a bit of the bathroom. So thanks for watching. Have a safe one, and catch you later. Bye.